friends, I'm Broccoli. Welcome to KidDraws. Today I'm going to teach you how to draw turkey. In Spanish, turkey's peaceful. Let's draw like the number 8. Like this. So we draw the body. See. Now let's make like a number 8. And 8 in Spanish also looks like the number 8. Now let's draw feathers. No wings. Let's make some more wings. Now let's draw the feathers. Let's go like this. This. Like this. This. Like this. Like this. Good, the turkey. More right here. More right here. More right here. They look like petals. More right here. 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 It's a cute turkey. Eyes. Color in. Now let's show the beak. Some words. Like the beer. Let's show it when it's warm. Okay. Let's draw the legs. The legs. Good. Legs. Now the cartoon turkey, the cartoon one. And that's it. It's like 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 5, 6. Okay. It's a baby turkey. It's a cute one. Very cute. No more. Over here. Over here. We finished our turkey. We still need a last thing to do. It is color. Let's go with orange. Now let's use red. Yay, red. Okay, red. Right here. Now, let's do the yellow part. And then, let's add some yellow, yeah. My favorite color is red. Good, now, let's add red again. Let's color the worm with brown. Maybe this too. I finished my turkey. If you like this video, please like this video and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video.